Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in Cashapp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to log in to Cashapp, what you need is your email or your phone number, right? Something like this. Now, if you want to enter your phone number, you can just go ahead and type in your phone number and then tap on next and then follow the process, right? Or if you want to use your email, just tap on use email and then you can use your email instead of this phone number right here, and use your email to log in. Right now, if you don't have these both options, and now if you want to log in with your Cashtag, the answer is probably no, because the Cashtag is publicly available to everyone in the world, so there is no limit to privacy, and that may cause to leak your data. So that's why Cashapp has restricted to log in with your Cashtag. So just use your email or your phone number to log in, and basically once you log in, you don't need your Cashtag to log into your account. And that's basically it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.